Did someone say vanilla-infused jojoba oil? Oh yeah, that was me. There's only one thing better than jojoba oil. You already know how incredible it is, and that is when you infuse it with vanilla. Now you could buy a vanilla oleo resin and add that to this, or as I'm in Mexico and vanilla pods are so famous here, been used for centuries by the nobility and other people since then, of course. Okay, a 4 to 8 ounce bottle, you could use 1 vanilla pod, all right? You could use more if you want to, of course. And so what you do, split it down the center, chop, 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 pop it in your oil, leave it for a couple of weeks on your sunny, warm spot like the other infusions are, and you can just keep adding to, with this here, it's not going to escape. And so when it comes to using jojoba in your lip balms, in your body butters, why not use vanilla infused jojoba? Or you could use fractionated coconut oil. You want something that's pretty much odorless, so you get all of the benefits of the beautiful vanilla smell. So 4 to 8 ounces is a good size to have one of these. Of course, put more vanilla beans if you're making a bigger quantity. But so rather than just having jojoba, why don't you go for beautiful vanilla infused jojoba?